So augmented humanity is a better version of ourself using technology. So sometimes we think about technology replacing the human. Well, in point of fact, we can use various types of technology, including generative AI, to become better at all the things that we do. So not only do we not become irrelevant, we become enhanced, we become amplified, and we lean into our brilliance and our creativity with tech providing a bit of a tailwind for the whole thing. So advisors wear two hats in their day to day as mechanic and guide. The mechanic is the technical expertise that you bring to your practice, the investments, insurance, estates, selling businesses, planning for retirement. So that's very important, but it's not the entire picture. We're also guides because we're not only an expert in these various topics, we're also helping other human beings navigate change and uncertainty. And that requires a whole different set of skills related to emotional intelligence, decision making, habit formation, understanding well being. And so, guides and mechanics, we are both of those at the same time, and we use them, the skills associated with them, in different ways.